Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
If you are unable to remove a payment method from your iPhone because of an active subscription, then simply follow these steps to resolve this issue. Apple does not allow the removal of a payment method tied to active subscription to ensure uninterrupted services. So, firstly, restart your device and go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top to navigate to the Apple ID settings. Now, here tap on the Payment and Shipping option available there. After you tap on the payment and shipping, a Face ID authentication or Touch ID authentication or any password will be shown on your screen. Continue the process and here try removing the payment method. But if the issue persists and you cannot remove it, then the easiest way is to go to any web browser and search for the appleid.apple.com. Now here sign in with the Apple ID. To do that, scroll down and there you will get to see sign in option available in the blue highlights. Simply tap on it and enter your credentials. Once done, you can see the arrow icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the arrow, then tap on the payments. Now once inside the payment, tap on the payment methods and you will get to see your payment method and you can remove it from here. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.